So I told you that my boat needs another step. I have not welded since high school. 40 years ago, I used to be really good, and I've definitely never welded with a MIG welder before. Arc welding was what I used to do, gas welding, stuff like that, back in high school. But anyway, I went to a local place, bought this piece of scrap metal here for $2, and I'm going to try to attempt to weld it to this trailer frame. So wish me luck. A piece of angle iron around, because in case I have to get to that bolt, and I can still step up on there. I bought this at an auction a while back. It's a very old pair of welding goggles that you flip up the lenses so you can see normal. Didn't have a strap, so I got a piece of wire. Like I said, I haven't welded in 40 years. I might not weld it again in another 40 years. As long as this works, that's the only thing I care. Well, the good news is I was able to take my clamp off. But the bad news is there's too much gap between the step and the metal. So as you can see, it's somewhat tack welded down to where I could take my clamp off, but I need to come up with something else. I'm used to arc welding and gas welding. This is something different for me. Hopefully by the time I'm done, I'll know what I'm doing. And if you want to start a fire, it's a good way to start a fire. I had that crap laying underneath, and as you can see, it caught fire. So if you're out of lighter, matches, and you want to light a cigarette, try MIG welding.